You can earn money by watching video ads like this on your smartphone or laptop, wherever you are. You can even get paid to watch ads on your computer. It's free to start, it works worldwide. So it really doesn't matter in which country you are living. And one of the best things about this website is that you can earn PayPal money watching videos. It pays you directly to your PayPal account. Online income by watching ads won't replace your day job or buy you a new car, but it creates a great opportunity to monetize your spare time. If you live in United States, United Kingdom, Canada, you get paid to watch videos a little bit more. But if you live in other countries that this works in, you will still get paid to watch ads online. I will show you how to watch ads and get paid. Pay attention to the entire video. Throughout the video, I will give you tips to get over 700 points instantly. At the end of this video, I will tell you how to double your income by watching ads with one simple strategy. This site is legit as it gets. It has been featured on the Wall Street Journal, CNN, Yahoo, and so on. It has a variety of video categories that enables you to increase your overall points. You can share your opinion on the newest ads or movie trailers, watch short films, app trailers, cooking tutorials, and more. There are more than 50 channels of content and inventory refreshers daily. Joining is simple and sign up is free. You can start to earn money by watching video ads right now. So here is the name of the website. You can choose to sign up via your Facebook account or with your email. Now watch carefully. To get 500 points instantly, you can use this code. It's also in the description of this video. After you have verified your email, you will automatically earn 50 points. Once done, the next step is to complete your profile. Uploading a photo will earn you 25 points, and completing question survey about yourself will earn you 100 points. That's 675 points already. That's not all. Here is another tip to get 25 more points. This site features an interactive video to get you started on the site. You will be rewarded 25 points just for watching the video. Keep in mind that you need to watch the whole video to get points. If you do all that, you have 700 points. If you are enjoying the content of this video so far, then go ahead and hit that like button. Now this video is about how you can get paid for watching ads, so let me show you that part. On the left pane, you see various ways of making money from this site. Click to watch video. Then you can watch videos, any type of videos. You can watch entertainment videos, news videos, better living, movie, buzz, music videos, comedy videos, and so on. Select the videos that you want to watch. It shows you the value point these videos give you. The points you accumulate will translate into PayPal money. That's how you can get paid to watch ads. The more videos you watch, the more options they give you with higher point values. Keep watching. I will show you how to earn extra points. In addition to ad watching jobs, this site has a pretty big section with surveys, and you will be able to find several daily opportunities. You can also earn points by completing offers. This can, for example, be a sign up for trial for certain services, participate in contests, download apps, and so forth. Once you earn 3,000 points, you can cash them in for a reward. Get paid via PayPal or turn your points into gift cards for retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and so on. This site claims to have paid over 87 million in cash since it was established. It has its own search engine, which is powered by Yahoo. You can earn a few extra points if you use this instead of your regular search engine. You can play games like solitaire, bridge, crossword, and more, and earn points this way as well. Now, the third tip is daily goals. Irizu has a bonus feature where you can earn extra points if you have a certain activity. By using this, you can even double your income. As you see, it's a great website to earn money online by watching video. Getting paid to watch video ads is a great way to begin your work from home journey or grab extra cash when needed.